Hi, I'm travel expert Stephanie Oswald, and I've got some advice for you when it comes to spring travel because this is a banner year for spring break. So whether you're flying to a relaxing beach vacation or road tripping on your next adventure, there are some things you should do. And number one is research. Fortunately for us, Booking.com has done some of the legwork for us. They've identified 3 destinations that are significantly less expensive this year. They are Boston, Biloxi, and Phoenix, Arizona. So if those places are on your list, maybe you want to get that brownstone in Boston, or go to downtown Phoenix and rent a condo, or head to Biloxi for an apartment near the beach, this is the time to do it. And you also can go online and get access to more than 174 million real and up-to-date reviews, so you can make sure that your expectations are met and you're going to have the best spring break experience ever. They also have 24/7 customer service in case something comes up when you're on your trip and you need some help. Now, when it comes to the road trip, there are some things you should do. And at the top of that list is make sure you're in the right vehicle to have the most excellent adventure. And if you're looking for an upgrade, Ford has something for you. It's the 2020 Ford Explorer Hybrid, and it comes packed with bells and whistles when it comes to technology, everything from Copilot 360, which is the co-pilot who never falls asleep or gets distracted, and even Active Park Assist, which basically the car takes over and parks itself, takes all the stress out of parking, which is great. It also has 4G LTE Wi-Fi for up to 10 devices. And that's really important when you're on that road trip and you want the kids to have their electronics. Everyone likes to stay connected. It also has cup holders, so it's not all about technology, cup holders that fit juice boxes, which is really neat for a mom like me. And something else about this vehicle, more than 500 miles in between gas station fill-ups, so that's pretty remarkable. Now, before you head out on the road, before you head to the gas station, you want to check your car. You want to make sure that it is in tip-top shape, and that means checking the tire pressure, making sure that you have your tires are ready to go on this big adventure. You know, the tire pressure is something you should check once a month. You should also check the tread on your tires, and that can be easily done with a penny. You take the penny, stick it in the tire, turn it upside down, and if Lincoln's head shows up, then it's time for new tires. And if it is, Yokohama has something you should consider. It's the all-season Geolander XCV. This is the tire for your luxury SUV or crossover vehicle. It comes with a 50,000-mile limited tread life warranty, and tires are so important because these are the part of the car that hit the tires are the part of the car that hit the road. So you want to make sure you've got the best tire. It's going to mean a better trip, better steering, better gas mileage, and a smooth ride. So make sure you have the right tires on your car. If you are worried about delays, something else you should pack is food, snacks, healthy snacks. Dried fruit and nuts are my favorite, just to make sure that no one gets hangry. And that goes for mom and dad too, not just the kids. So have those snacks with you. Also some plastic bags, because you never know when they're going to come in handy. And if you're traveling with small children, fill those plastic bags, one for each child, with an extra set of clothing and undergarments. You never know when there's going to be a spill or some other kind of emergency, and those extra outfits will come in handy. We've put all these tips for you in one place. It's betterstuffforlife.com. I'm Stephanie Oswald. Happy spring travels.